I've been involved in healthcare since I was in high school, and I had the opportunity to work in or volunteer in or consult in various healthcare activities from then until now. So the opportunity to become part of Crossover, which was offered to me several years ago, fit very nicely with what I enjoy doing.
So Chris had such a broad background in the business of healthcare. You know, everything from hospital administration to practice administration to vision to mental health. And so he brought all of that knowledge to Crossover at a really critical time in our history.
Chris has a great history in healthcare, worked in healthcare for many, many years, and he brought that experience to Crossover to help us with our strategic planning process. And the goal of that strategic planning process was to get to the point that we had the facilities, the volunteers, the staff, so that we could see every single patient that came to our door.
Chris is so aware, and he helped me understand that even though Crossover is a charitable institution, it costs money to deliver health care. And it's so important at Crossover that we be conscious of the fact that as we deliver care, not only do we have to raise money, thanks to our wonderful development team, but the clinicians need to deliver care efficiently, because today it has really been recognized that quality care is also efficient care.
When we talk about Chris, we frequently talk about that he's a great visionary, that he's a great futurist, that he operates at the 40,000-foot level. But what we also know about Chris is that he's not afraid to get his hands dirty. We had painting projects at both our Richmond clinic a number of years ago and at our Henrico clinic. And Chris and Adrian, Chris's wife, were among the first to volunteer to help paint these facilities for us.
I think we do a wonderful job also. I've asked Julie Bilodeau over the years, has anyone complimented us on the great painting we've done? She said not yet, but I'm hopeful.
I will just say Chris has always been ready to help. Any phone call I've made to him, if I can't see him, I can hear him smiling at the other end of the phone.
Chris is a visionary, a natural mentor, and just a good friend.
You know, I think what is great about Chris is whenever I'm struggling with something, I can text him, and he's really busy. And he's always willing to have a cup of coffee, to have lunch, or just to listen. And what I really appreciate with him is I will walk in kind of thinking, oh my gosh, what am I going to do? And by the time I'm finished with my conversation with Chris, I have a really clear path forward.